Hi, and welcome to Building Asynchronous Web Services with Java EE 8 and JAX-RS. So in this section, we're going to take a look at the following things. First up, we talk about the motivations and reasons for asynchronous processing. Then, I will show you the basic implementation of asynchronous web services with JAX-RS. Then, we'll have a look at improving our implementation using Manage Executor Service and server-side callbacks. And finally, I'm going to show you how I can use the asynchronous JAX-RS client API to make REST calls. Benefits and usage scenarios of asynchronous processing. So in this video, we're going to take a look at the motivations and reasons for asynchronous request processing and why this matters to you. So let's see. And the one thing I need to tell you is the free lunch is over. Concurrency counts. So if you have a look at this diagram, you will see that the number of transistors on a processor is constantly rising. However, the clock speed pretty much stayed constant since 2004. So this means you need to be more concurrent in order to get more speed. And you usually do this via threads. And by default, the request processing on the server usually works in a synchronous mode, which means that each request is processed in a single HTTP thread. So this is what we're used to. You have one thread and you do request response in this thread. Unfortunately, threads are very expensive. So under high load with lots of concurrent connections, there are a lot of wasted resources and the server does not scale that well. Fortunately, there are asynchronous processing options here. So the basic idea of asynchronous processing is separate your request I/O threads and the request processing threads by using different thread pools. So this basically frees up your I/O threads to receive new connections while you do the processing on different threads. So the ultimate goal is to save memory and improve the performance of your applications by using or reducing context switching, and you can also improve the throughput by basically separating the request I/O from the request processing. So those are the main motivations and reasons.